I chose AirTight Mechanical it was a reference actually. They were referred to me through a colleague, and I was told that their expertise in the field was second to none. They bring so much value to the equation. As a partner, they deliver more than just your mechanical services. They bring intellect, trust, experience, and also they help develop friendships between you and your customer. It's quite nice, actually. If someone called me and asked if they should go with AirTight, and they've been referred to them, I would say don't hesitate. And don't worry about nickels and dimes. Use the best contractor you can find in the market. That's going to be AirTight.